Hey folks, Paddy here from Mortgage Hunter. I'm here with my colleague Lorna today, and we're going to discuss and maybe come to an understanding as to why Irish homeowners don't look into switching their mortgage provider. Just lately, the central bank came up with a statistic that 61% of Irish homeowners could possibly save up to €10,000 over the remaining term of their mortgage. So Lorna, I'm going to ask you, why aren't more people switching?
I think some people feel it might be an arduous task to switch. It's something they feel might be too difficult to do. But I suppose the most difficult aspect of it is gathering all the paperwork that they need. Once they have that with a broker, the broker does the rest for them. But there's definitely some huge benefits to switching your mortgage at the moment. The rates at the moment are probably at one of their lowest, with the lowest rate at the moment being 1.95%. And people there, I suppose, are with KBC. As we know, they're pulling from the Irish market, and they're selling their book of business, their mortgage business, to Bank of Ireland, who have one of the highest rates in Ireland at the moment. Other benefits are they can release some equity from their property. So what I mean by this is the value of the property versus the outstanding mortgage, the money or the value in between that, say roughly, take an example of €40,000, and that can be taken, added to the outstanding balance, and you can use this money to maybe, I don't know, get a new kitchen or do up the back garden, things that people have always dreamt of but aren't quite able to do.
That would be more of a benefit than them going to get a personal loan.
Exactly. Yeah. So a personal loan, the rate tends to be a lot higher on them type of loans than releasing equity through your mortgage. And certainly if you could get the rate of 1.95, you would be doing very well. Another benefit is cashback. So there is a cost incurred by switching your mortgage, and this is legal fees and evaluation fee. But a number of lenders offer some cashback which would cover these costs. So you're not out of pocket by doing this. So they are definitely the main benefits of doing this.
Brilliant. And people would probably be put off, maybe a reason why people, mortgage holders, haven't switched, because I think there's a lot of effort involved, a lot of time and effort, with what is the hardest part?
As previously mentioned, the hardest part for people is gathering the paperwork. And what I mean by that is, the likes of they need some pay slips, their current account statements, their mortgage statement, any loans, and their ID. But once you take some time out of your day,
that stuff should be at hand.
A lot of that is at hand now. It's quite easy you can download online statements. So take some time out, get the paperwork together. Once it's with a broker, they'll do the rest for you.
Brilliant.
So I don't think it's as difficult as people might perceive it to be.
Very good. Well folks, I hope that this has helped you and maybe helped to give you an informed decision about making a switch.